in the form of buy stops. Again, same here. Opening on this candle, extend it out in time. When it trades down below that after midnight, so it's after midnight, that's the time element, time and price. What's the price? It has to be at or below that level. So here is the New York open, and this is also an optimal trade entry here. Low to high, drops back down in, below the opening price. There you go. For some of you, this is all that's required for a model. You know your framework, bearish dollar, higher euro. Find your opening price at midnight. Buy it at or just below the opening price. And just hold it. Hold it until we get to the afternoon in New York time and unload it above some old high. That in itself, that is a complete model. I'll say it again. If your framework is bearish dollar, that means you're bullish on euro. Mark out the opening price at midnight on an hourly chart. At that price or below it, in a kill zone, you want to be buying it. Then get out in the afternoon. That means anywhere between 11 o'clock in the morning to 1 o'clock in the afternoon, New York local time. And if you can be there above an old high, you have time and price meeting. So there's your exit strategy. How much money should you risk? 0.5%, 1%, nothing more. How many trading days did you have that were favorable with that? With that framework I've given you, with bearish dollar, higher prices in euro and cable, you can buy here near the low of the day. You can buy here near the low of the day. You can buy here near the low of the day. It doesn't need to be complicated, but you signed up for all the freaky insights, all the things that nobody else would ever learn. That's why you're here. That's what I'm teaching you. I'm also teaching you how to trust almost 30 years of experience in knowing what the market's likely to do next. Don't arm wrestle me. Just try to get yourself in alignment with what I'm teaching you and direction of what I'm looking for and pointing to. They aren't changing day to day. The daily bias isn't daily bullish, daily bearish. Daily bullish, daily bullish, daily bearish. It's not that. Some of you think that's what this is. When I'm saying I'm bullish euro, I'm bearish dollar, and it's going to stay that way for a couple days, if not a week or more. So remember, the hallmark to this mentorship is we're trying to trade inside of the weekly range, and we're forecasting. I'm teaching you how to forecast the expansion of the weekly range. In other words, the candle that makes up a